Exercise.
They must just have one. Hi.
Yeah.
Grace. Jubilee. Jubilee. Grace. How do we Jubilee? When I only Grace. Grace. Jubilee. 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 Grace. Jubilee. Grace. Grace. Jubilee. Grace. Jubilee. How do we divine when I only Grace?
A tour, ne? Siya up there, le phezulu, just to see, like, bathi sobona view yonke yeSoweto. So, yeah, come with me. Okay.
Clouds rolled in like velvet tides. Dreams whisper where secrets hide. A fleeting glance, a slow collide. Drift away, let the waves embrace. Drift away, find a softer space. Drift away. Feel the world embrace. Footsteps fall on a golden shore.
We are still rocking inside. We are still like playing games. So I couldn't vlog that part because I was also a part of the game. So bengekho umuntu like engizombambisa camera or because wonke umuntu like bekadlala. So since ngisahleli phansi thina abanye sidlalile, I'll take another clip because khona amanye ama-game adlalwayo. So I too ama-game asele, and then after we wrap it out. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoying this vlog, and yeah, continue to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe please. Going home. Akufani guys, we won. Let me show you. Number 3, position 3. Akufani contest itholile yabo. So yeah, I think this will be the end of the vlog. Yeah, we had a great time guys. Everything that was so nice.
A few moments later.
bekumnandi yonke into ehambe kahle. So I don't know ukuthi will like unbox that present because like sekulate manje, but like I will see. Maybe I will end this vlog mangifike endlini. I hope you are still good. Oh guys, today today it was like a good day. Like everything was fun, nice, like everything. So enjoy, no complaints, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. And guys, I will be consistent. I will drop like many as I can. Yeah, so stay tuned, as always. Click the notification bell. If like the end, please gym and show you a vlog. So without speaking too much, I love you all. And if you video till this far, thank you so much. Yeah, I will catch you all on another vlog. Bye.